They do so much great things for us. They clean the bathrooms, the halls, the ground in our classrooms.
We start at the road and come all the way on. This is 30-something acres, I think, of property. So we're outside, we're inside. We want people, when they pull up at the street, to know that it's a clean, well-kept place.
The biggest difference between years past and this year is that we're spending more time during the day cleaning like door handles and countertops and things like that. I do feel like we are actually a layer of protection for these kids and for our staff.
Really just making sure that the classrooms are germ-free and that students can come and learn without any fear of being sick. And I just like the way that they have worked with the teachers to make the teachers feel like they can come in here into a clean, healthy environment and do their jobs.
We want you to be able to come inside and see all the rest of the stuff that we do in here. We're in and out, we're trimming bushes, cutting grass, spraying wasp nests, you name it, we end up doing it.
I can't thank them enough for the job that they've done, both inside the building and outside the building. Just entering our campus, you can tell that they take a lot of pride in the work.
You guys do so much good things for us here at Deerfield. Thank you for that.